Hi everyone and welcome. In front of me is the house of Marley Get Together 2XL speaker, and today I will show you how to get into stereo pair mode in this speaker. Let's get started. At first we have to power up our device. Now we have to go to our Bluetooth settings in our phone from control panel. Now I have to click pair new device and hold our finger on these two buttons for 2 seconds constantly. Now we have to click Get Together 2XL. And now we are paired with our Get Together 2XL in the stereo mode. We have to do this with our second speaker if we have it. If we don't, our stereo pairing mode is not useful, I would say. That's it for today. Like and subscribe for more these types of videos. Goodbye.